Hey nerds, we're back. Hi. We're gonna go for a walk today, so we're just gonna vlog.
We're gonna vlog our walk. Because we have nothing better to do today.
That's fine. That's fine. We can just be us in our element.
So, this is a lake in our city. It's man-made.
Yeah, it's not an authentic lake.
You can't really go swimming in it. I wouldn't recommend it.
Well, yeah, no, ew. Like, who would go swimming?
Some people have.
Yeah, like I fell in once when I was canoeing, but that's probably the extent.
Wasn't voluntarily swimming.
I've fallen a lot in my life, it's fine.
Me too. I have the hiccups. Gotta get rid of them. Okay, I think they're gone.
Are they gone?
I think so. Okay, let's go.
Amazing.
We didn't really... Nope, they're still here. It's fine. I'll get rid of them eventually.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Hannah, and I'm trying out to be America's Next Top Model.
Me too. Yeah. I just noticed there's people behind us, so that was kind of weird. I just know it's fine.
I look like I have like an undercut or something.
That bird's like literally flying in place.
Oh Jesus, this wind! We did not get shit on by a bird.
Yay!
Success! And it's a little less windy here because we're not on a bridge anymore.
Yeah, we're on the other side of the bridge.
Yeah, so we should be good for now. This is the little walking path. There's people probably don't want
There's
to be
geese over there.
Come on! It's goose nap time! It's still windy.
And I have to hold my dress to my knees.
We're still walking.
Look at the pretty birds. They're just enjoying their time.
We still haven't gotten the camera, so I'm using my iPhone and it's really difficult to maneuver because I'm not too sure. Oh my god.
Hey guys, no fishing.
So yeah, this is basically just gonna be our walk. So we will catch up at you at like a cafe or something.
Yeah.
So,
That's my hair.
yeah, I look like I don't have any hair. That's fine. So we went on our walk. Super fucking windy. That's okay. We saw a lot of cute dogs. So that was exciting. We saw like a teacup chihuahua that was literally like that big. It was stupid. No, it's okay. I just want him to be safe and happy.
Okay.
Anyway, we're going to a cafe now, so. We already finished this.
I already finished my tea. And now you're vlogging. I'm all done. Yeah. She spilled some on me too.
Hey, excuse me, you were walking.
I was about to like get your attention and then you just like who just like elbows the air when you're like standing in a tight line?
I do.
Elbowing the air. Like,
I do.
No, that's not what normal people do. It's alright, it only spilled a little bit, but it got all over my leg.
Oh no.
In my purse. That's fine. I'm tired. That walk was a lot.
Oh, it's so hard.
Yeah, it's such an hour-long exercise walk.
Oh no. It's good lighting. This lighting is working for you.
Is it? That's good.
Looking cute.
Are you still filming? No.
There's kids behind me and I've been like swearing and I feel really bad. So we're on our way home.
Yeah, we're both tired.
Yeah.
Even though I just had tea, but whatever. It's also 3:30 and 3:30 is like the
On a Sunday too, which is
natural-
like the laziest.
the natural time to be sleepy. 3
Mhm.
o'clock. I always get sleepy around 3 o'clock.
Yeah, I'm just tired in general on Sundays. So that's our little vlog for today. We figured we'd go out and about. Yeah.
Yeah.
So like, comment, subscribe. Bye.